We have an exciting announcement to share with you all. Die Friesens Music and More is inviting you all to join us on a Christian sail and sing cruise in Plotich. Join us in February 2025 on the ship Independence of the Seas for 5 nights as we travel across the Caribbean. The cruise ship features meals, buffets, ice cream, breakfast, room service, and more in the cost of your cruise. On board there is rock climbing, pools, a hot tub, water slides, volleyball, basketball, and much more to keep you busy. During the cruise there will also be Christian concerts and seminars, many of which will be in Plotich. It is in these concerts that we will be taking part. Come to be refreshed, enjoy time with loved ones, and practice your Low German. We and all the other groups involved hope and believe that this Christian cruise will be a blessing to you. As we sail between our different destinations, there will be various concerts and programs on the ship that you are all welcome to attend. During this cruise, we will be stopping at 2 islands in the Caribbean Sea, where you can sign up for optional excursions on the island. The first stop is Georgetown, Grand Cayman. Here you can sign up for the optional excursion, where you will visit some of the historic sites on and around the island. Our second stop is in Falmouth, Jamaica. If you sign up for this trip, you will visit Dunn's River Falls, where you can climb the falls and enjoy a swim. The ship leaves Miami, Florida on February 8, 2025 at 4 p.m. and reaches Georgetown, Grand Cayman on February 10th at 8 a.m., where we will spend the day until 6 p.m. After that, we head to Falmouth, Jamaica, and arrive on the 11th at 7 a.m. At both of these locations, you can sign up for the optional excursions we mentioned earlier to see the island and God's beautiful creation. We leave Jamaica at 4 p.m. on the 11th and head back to Miami, arriving on February 13th at 6 a.m. If you are interested in joining us on this cruise, we would encourage you to sign up as quickly as possible, as reservations are on a first-come, first-served basis, and pricing will go up as we get closer to the departure date. Please note that all pricing is in US dollars, and all cabin prices are per person based on double occupancy. There are 3 different types of cabins available. The first is an inside cabin with no windows, with current pricing at $929 per person. Next is the Ocean View cabin. This room has a window to the ocean, so you can enjoy the view from your quarters as we sail. Current pricing for this option is $1,099 per person. Finally, there are the balcony cabins. These cabins have a private balcony overlooking the ocean and currently cost $1,299 per person. These prices are available at the moment, but they will go up as we get closer to the departure date. Sail and Sing is able to provide insurance for people from Canada and the US. Those from other countries will need to arrange for their own insurance if they wish to have it. If you're interested in joining this cruise, please feel free to send us an email or WhatsApp. The contact information will be down in the video description. We can send you a form to fill out. This form must be filled out and sent to Sail and Sing at the address on the screen. The address will also be in the video description below. They also require $250 US down payment per person with the form, so please include a check with the form or send a money order. If you are flying into Miami, please make sure with your bookings that you leave enough time to get from the airport to the cruise on time. Boarding time for the ship is February 8th between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. If you are flying out of Miami, Sail and Sing recommends not booking flights earlier than 12:30 p.m. on Thursday, February 13th, so that you have enough time to get from the cruise back to the airport. The cost of the cruise covers only the time on the ship. You will need to pay your own way to and from Miami. On the application form, you can sign up for a night at the Miami Airport Hotel, which includes an airport shuttle and free breakfast. This option costs an additional $164. You can also choose to sign up for round-trip bus transportation from the hotel to the cruise and drop off at the airport after the cruise for $38 per person. If you would like to sign up for the island excursions, please sign up in advance on the application form. The Grand Cayman tour costs $65 per person, and the Jamaica tour costs $78 per person. We will be busy preparing for the upcoming programs on the boat, so we won't go on these tours, but it is an exciting option for you. We are excited to take part in this cruise and thank God for this opportunity. We trust that this Christian Low German event will be a blessing and refresh those who come. If you would like more information or wish to sign up, please contact us and we would love to connect with you. We hope to see you there.